So let's talk about data and the proverbial sandpit that everyone is arguing about. Whose data is it anyway? I would argue that it's nobody's data. It's your data, the customer. And certainly there's a lot of players out there eyeing to own your data, to centralize it and actually control it. But we live in a heterogeneous world. We live in a world of data distribution, data sharing, data collaboration, and actually learning from data. So when you look at actually the amount of players out there eyeing to own and store your data, there's many of them. Clearly the leading storage vendors of on-premise storage for various tiers, clearly ranging from NetApp to Dell EMC, Pure, HP, you name it, they're all eyeing to protect your data. But they're great at doing it, storing it, replicating it, keeping it highly available. But unfortunately, they don't know the value of that data. They don't know whether it's a double-sided coin. Some of it could be good, some of it could be bad, some of it could be very damaging. And then we're doing a lot of migration to the cloud, moving as much as 60% of garbage or trash data to the cloud without even understanding its value. So we're actually making the problem even worse. Backup vendors are clearly replicating that and making it, for data protection. But again, it's a real struggle in terms of to understand what you have. And then come in the e-discovery vendors. Hey, very deep and very rich in capability, but a lot of heavyweight and a lot of moving and really focusing on one use case. Now you look at some of the environment beyond some of these categories. You look at big data analytics. Snowflake are doing amazing stuff in terms of enterprise data warehousing and migrating information in there. Teradata, Click, Looker, all doing lots of data integration, but very much doing it on structured information. So it's amazing how much data is really shared, moved, and copied and replicated. We've had the advent of deduplication of content. Clearly, you need to know what you have, and you need to understand what is the good data, the bad data, the redundant data, or obsolete or trivial, so you can make intelligent decisions. So with Aparavi, what we do is really augment this data ecosystem, not to rip and replace, but to augment with intelligence and automating those manual tasks. So you know your data, you're in control, and more importantly, you're making use of the good data whilst mitigating risk, reducing and avoiding cost, and more importantly, fueling innovation. That's it for now. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.